Absolutely. AI is a really transformative technology, and we're already using it day to day across our entire team at Boson Ventures. For deep tech and healthcare founders particularly, I think it's important to know that you are expected to have an element of AI or to really have AI native deep tech companies. And that's something Boson Ventures really wants to support in terms of the investments we make in Australia. That founders are not just using their core IP or just the discovery that they have in the lab, but they're also really thinking about how they can embed AI to speed up their processes, because not only is that going to create a more competitive product, but it's also what your customers will come to expect in the future.
I think for me, the really exciting part is sort of seeing the way that AI is really changing the trend of how far founders can get very early on. Claude Code, I'm a Claude Code user myself, for example. Means you get an astonishing distance with, what can be a very slim or almost no engineering team in a way that in the past would be almost impossible. So I think it's really opening a lot of new possibilities, but also that means there's a lot of different competitive forces at work that can be hard to balance.
AI is everywhere now, so it's hard to escape. And I think one thing that we definitely think about, particularly with AI or investing in AI, is how defensible in the long term is that product or solution. And you may not have defensibility now, but the key thing is we need to believe and have a rational plan to develop long-term defensibility.
Clearly, the world is abuzz with AI, and so for us, the ideal is interplay between proprietary hardware that has been augmented, if you will, through artificial intelligence. And so a good example is a business we invested into that was detecting, using Raman spectroscopy, whether a mole could be cancerous or benign. It was already better than a GP, but with an AI overlay, now it's better than a skin specialist.